Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today, I was looking at these napkins, and I decided that I wanted to make something with them. And in my mind, I've been thinking about bookmarks a lot lately. And so I said, you know what, let me just pull some items out of my stash. These creative juices of mine are flowing. And so I just decided that I would do a little decoupage and to see what I could turn this into. So these are the bookmarks that I've created. And I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put my eyelets in them really quick. And then I will take and put a tassel, I believe, on them. I would prefer to place my little dot on here so that I can make sure everything is even and where it should be. Or at least aesthetically look that way. I think I would come out better just doing all of them at one time. Now, I got myself some eyelets from Temu. Along with some backing washers because I want a cleaner finish if possible. I like the ones that I've had, but I just would prefer to have a little backing to them. So let's see how these turn out. So I've managed to go ahead and get all of my eyelets placed into my bookmarks here. And so now what I'm going to do is find me some appropriate tassels that are going to work. Now, I think in one of my videos, I think I probably call my tassels, I call these some embroidery thread. Forgive me, just forgive me. But I had purchased like this stack of tassels from Temu. So I have a color in mind. I've got some of these. These are beautiful. I have some of these that I might use. But I am just really looking for deep red and green right now. I am in absolute love. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So I decided to use my chartreuse tassels because I felt like it gave it additional pop and charm with these bookmarks. I'm really pleased with how these turned out. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. You know what? Also, give me your thoughts on these bookmarks. I'd really appreciate it.